Welcome to ClearTask. If you are running into error code 102.002.007 on Pokémon TCG Pocket, here is the fastest way to fix it in 2026. First, disable your VPN. Pokémon TCG Pocket relies heavily on region-specific servers. Active VPNs frequently block the authentication process, which triggers this exact error. Turn your VPN off, close the game completely, and relaunch. Next, refresh your network connection, turn on airplane mode on your device, wait about 10 seconds, and turn it back off. If the error persists, switch your connection entirely. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa. Local network restrictions often cause temporary login failures. It is also highly recommended to clear the game cache. If you are on Android, go to Settings, Apps, Pokémon TCG Pocket, and tap Clear Cache. If you are on an iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find the game and tap Offload App, then reinstall it. This removes corrupted temporary files without deleting your saved data. Make sure you are running the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates, as developers frequently patch login bugs. If you have tried all of these fixes and the error remains, the official Pokémon servers are likely down for scheduled maintenance. Give it an hour or two and try logging in again. If this guide helped you get back into the game, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick technical fixes. See you in the next one.